In this video, we're diving into Hiver, the help desk solution that turns your everyday Gmail inbox into a collaborative customer support platform. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you learn about AI. Now, if you're wondering whether Hiver is the right tool for managing support requests, then stick around because we'll explore its features, why it matters, who it's for, and walk through how it works in practice. Now, have you ever found yourself drowning in customer emails, frantically forwarding requests and missing follow-ups? Or perhaps you're tired of switching between Gmail and a separate help desk tool. Let's see how Hiver promises to streamline that chaos without forcing you to abandon the familiar Gmail interface. What is Hiver? Hiver is a customer support and collaboration platform built directly on top of Gmail. Instead of forcing you to learn a new interface, it enhances your existing inbox with shared inboxes, assignments, notes, automations, and analytics. Think of it as a layer that turns Gmail into a help desk, ensuring that every email is addressed efficiently by the right team member. Hiver is especially popular with small to mid-sized businesses, startups, and teams that already rely heavily on Gmail for communication. And because it doesn't require switching to a separate application, training time is minimal. Key features and how they work. Shared inboxes. At the heart of Hiver is the concept of a shared inbox. Imagine a generic support address like support@yourcompany.com. In a traditional setup, multiple team members may log into that account or forward emails around, leading to confusion and duplication. With Hiver, you can share that inbox with your team. Everyone sees incoming messages, but you have built-in tools to manage them. Assignments. When a new email arrives, team members can assign it to themselves or others. This ensures accountability. You know exactly who's handling each issue. Status tracking. Each email has a status: open, pending, or closed. This helps everyone see progress at a glance. Collision detection. If two people try to reply to the same email, Hiver warns them to avoid duplicate responses. This collision detection saves time and embarrassment. Email, delegation, and tasks. Sometimes an email isn't a support ticket, but requires follow-up. Hiver lets you convert emails into tasks or delegate them with due dates. You can set a reminder to ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Because tasks live inside Gmail, you don't need to manage them in a separate project management tool. Notes and internal discussions. Hiver adds an internal note feature to each email thread. Think of it like a Slack conversations attached to an email. You can discuss the issue with colleagues, ask questions, or provide context without the customer ever seeing the conversation. This keeps all the relevant information in one place. Automation rules. Automations help reduce manual work. With Hiver, you can set up rules to assign emails automatically based on keywords, sender, or recipient address. For example, all billing questions can go to the finance team. Apply tags or labels for organization, like marking VIP customers or urgent issues. Send email templates in response to common inquiries. Trigger follow-ups if a customer doesn't respond with a certain time frame. These rules save time and ensure consistent support processes. Templates and canned responses. So Hiver allows you to create email templates for common questions. So for instance, you might build a template explaining your return policy. When a customer asks about returns, agents can insert the template, personalize it, and send. Templates help maintain brand voice and reduce repetitive typing. Analytics and reporting. You can't improve what you don't measure. And Hiver provides dashboards and reports that show key metrics, such as response time, how quickly are emails being answered, resolution time, how long does it take to close a ticket, email volume, how many requests come in each day or week, team performance, who's handling the most queries, and what is their resolution rate, multi-channel support. Hiver started as an email-only tool, but it now includes basic multi-channel capabilities. You can manage live chat, WhatsApp, voice calls, SMS, and social media messages from within the shared inbox. This consolidates customer communication into one place. Channel availability depends on your plan. Higher tiers unlock more channels and features like call analytics and satisfaction surveys. AI-powered tools. With the rise of generative AI, Hiver introduced features like AI Copilot and AI agents. AI Copilot. This tool offers smart reply suggestions. As you draft an email, it recommends how to phrase your response and adjust tone. It can improve grammar and propose alternative wording. This speeds up writing and helps maintain professionalism. AI agents. These agents automate routine tasks. For example, an AI agent can automatically categorize emails or send acknowledgement messages outside business hours. When combined with workflows, AI agents reduce manual triage. AI insights. Hiver's analytics section incorporates predictions, such as identifying which customers might churn or which tickets could become high priority. Integration and security. Hiver integrates with various tools, including Slack, Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zapier. These connections allow you to sync data across platforms platforms, automate workflows, and keep customer information consistent. For example, you can push a ticket's status to Slack or create Salesforce tasks directly from Gmail. Security is essential when dealing with customer data. Hiver uses OAuth to connect to Gmail, meaning it doesn't store your password. It follows industry best practices like encryption and SOC 2 compliance. You can enable role-based access controls to ensure only authorized team members can view sensitive information. Pricing plans. Now, if you want to get started with Hiver, we've got a link for you down in the description where you can go ahead and actually start a free trial. But taking a look at their pricing plans, they've got several different plans to choose from. Now, right off the bat, you can choose between annual or monthly, and with annually, you can go ahead and save 20% with that. So they do have a free plan, and with this, you get shared inboxes, team collaboration, views, out of office. You get email, live chat, WhatsApp, voice, a knowledge base, and you also get Slack integration, a help center, and 24/7 email and live chat support. Now, if you want AI, you're going to need at least the growth plan, which is their intro plan, starting at $25 per month billed annually or $35 per user per month billed monthly. Now, with this, you're going to get a little bit more. You get more workflows, you get analytics, and you get way more integrations. With the pro plan, you get everything in that, plus more ticketing, you get more workflows, and more analytics. The elite plan at $75 per user per month billed annually or $95 per user per month billed monthly. And with the elite plan, you get skills-based routing, custom objects, individual inbox to shared inbox automation, some more security and compliance, and more support. So if you want to get started with Hiver, we've got that link for you down in the description below. Moving on to the pros and cons of Hiver. So like any tool, Hiver has strengths and it has weaknesses. As for the pros, it's a familiar interface. Because it lives in Gmail, there's virtually no learning curve for teams accustomed to Google Workspace. Shared inbox efficiency. Assignments, statuses, and collision detection prevent duplicate work and ensure accountability. Collaboration features. Internal notes and discussions keep communication organized and contextually linked to each email. Automation capabilities. Simple rules and AI agents reduce repetitive tasks and speed up triage. Insightful reporting. Basic analytics help managers monitor team performance and identify areas for improvement. Integration friendly. Hiver connects with popular CRMs, chat tools, and automation platforms, preserving your existing workflows. Now for the cons, there's limited customization. Reports and dashboards are functional but may not offer the depth or flexibility that larger teams require. Custom metrics and multi-team dashboards may be lacking. Single ecosystem dependence. Hiver is built exclusively for Gmail. If your organization uses Outlook or another email client, Hiver won't work. Features hidden behind tiers. Advanced functionality such as voice channels or deeper analytics often reside in the higher priced plans. Smaller teams on budget tiers might feel a bit constrained. Basic multi-channel support. While Hiver offers more channels than its early days, those channels are still less than some other dedicated chat or voice platforms. There may still be limitations in routing or tracking non-email interactions. Using Hiver, a step-by-step scenario. To understand how Hiver fits in everyday work, let's walk through a typical support scenario. Step 1, incoming email. So a customer writes to support@yourcompany.com about an issue with their order. The email lands in your shared inbox. Hiver tags it as new and displays it for everyone on the support team. Step 2, assignment and categorization. Your colleague sees the email and assigns it to you because you handle order issues. Hiver automatically marks the status as open and applies an orders tag thanks to an automation rule that looks for keywords like order number or tracking. You receive a notification of the assignment. Step 3, internal discussion. Before replying, you add a note for your teammate who packed the order, asking whether the item was out of stock. They respond within the thread and the conversation stays hidden from the customer. You now have the information you need to respond confidently. Step 4, reply and follow up. You use a template to draft your response, personalizing it with the customer's name and details. Hiver's AI Copilot suggests alternative phrasing to sound more empathetic. After sending, you set a reminder to check back in 2 days if the customer hasn't replied. Hiver automatically updates the status to pending. Step 5, resolution and reporting. Once the issue is resolved, you mark the conversation as closed. Your team's dashboard reflects that ticket was handled within your service level agreement. At the end of the week, you review the reports. Response times are improving, but there's a spike in order-related emails. You decide to create a new automation rule and update your FAQ page based on these insights. Now, who should use Hiver? It's well suited for startups and small teams with limited budgets and no dedicated IT staff. They need quick setup and easy adoption. Hiver's low learning curve fits these criteria. E-commerce stores. Daily customer inquiries about orders, returns, and product information require efficient email management. Hiver's shared inbox, templates, and automation make it super easy. Other good options would be agencies and schools and nonprofits. So teams that collaborate via Gmail can use Hiver to manage inquiries from students, clients, parents, or donors. Large enterprises with complex workflows or omni-channels might need to find dedicated help desk platforms platforms like Zendesk or Freshdesk for more comprehensive help. So Hiver delivers on its promise of turning Gmail into a lightweight yet powerful help desk. Its shared inboxes, assignments, notes, automations, and AI-assisted features reduce the chaos of managing customer email. Now, while it may lack some of the deep customization and channel breadth of enterprise help desk solutions, Hiver excels at what it set out to do. So if you want to get started with Hiver, we've got that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we make videos dedicated to helping you learn AI. So if that's what you're into, be sure and subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.